to hear your stories, your memories, to be sad for you? No! Ah, writers, if you really want me to feel like that for her, be more subtle and take more time also.
Strand's here.
Aha!
He brought company.
She's in there. I've got a lot of people out here who have grievances. And we're not the only.
Who? Strange Rangers with Cherry's men? Are we really gonna fight to protect Virginia?
What do they want with her?
What do you think?
You want with her, Victor?
Simple. Just, I'm not turning the wrong way. We will never get Grace and Daniel back if we do.
Come on, Alicia.
Ask Strand what happens if we don't turn her over.
We'll take her.
You hear that? What can you mean?
Never get through those ones. I want to change our deal.
Change it to what?
I will go out there. Tony can still live here. Now she gets a second chance.
Are we?
Well, for sure.
Are we really supposed to be sad for her? To be like, oh, she's gonna sacrifice herself for a kid. Oh, she's so great.
I thought she
No.
needed me, but maybe this is what she needs.
You're a shitty parent.
It'll just make it easier this way. I'll just go. I am willing to die. I am. But it looks like they want to twist the knife.
What are you asking for, Virginia?
I can
For
really
you
twist
to
it.
shoot her in front of them.
You do the honors.
Are we supposed to thank you because you're authorizing us to kill you? And you know the fact that she's switching like that so suddenly in just one episode? I have trouble to believe it. Please take 3 episodes to tell me that story after showing me during entire episodes that she was the devil.
She's let Grace and Daniel go. Said she would if I did this. Or just gotta let me. Here.
You're really gonna do it all the way, you know? It's an execution in front of everyone. Really, they are taking the time to do it, to present us that moment. Like, they are doing it, that's an execution, that's wrong, and all. I'm not gonna cheer, but I'm not gonna be sad.
Don't get cold, please, now. Come on.
What are we doing here?
What the hell are you doing? Hurry up, goddammit!
The future I'm trying to build, if we start like this, then we are no better than you! We are no better than her!
You're right, Marianne. You're right.
This isn't enough. This is just the end of it. You want satisfaction, Victor? Then we should twist the knife!
It's okay to not kill her. I'm okay with that. Because that moment was really wrong. But the fact that they want us to be sad for her, it's even more wrong.
Everything that I did to get away from you. And now you're here. I don't even want to see you. I just wanted to give you a normal life to go to.
A normal life?
I don't care.
Ah!
No, I don't know. I just didn't know how. Virginia, you killed our parents.
It was her parents,
Murdered them.
not yours.
They weren't your parents. Dakota, I'm your mother. No, not that was me.
It seems so.
None of your grandparents. They did not protect you. They did not protect me. I had to get you out of there. You're saying that you killed them for me. That you did all of this for me. Everything I have done.
Again, it seems so.
Ugliness in this world. I tried to turn you away from it. To give you a different world to see. But what that
You were the ugliest one for her, so clearly it did not work.
I have always loved you, and I think I
That for sure.
Why did you even bring me into this world? I should have never been alive. Don't you dare say. None of us should. Don't say that, please.
Oi, oi, Dakota, you're lost.
She's inside. She's still alive.
Mm-hmm.
We have one, right? But John just wanted the killing to stop. And I wanted to stop, don't you? I figure we should start that by having her live. By making her live with what she's done.
You're right. Morally, ethically, you're right.
Until we need it again, and I pray to God that we don't.
That is not your call to make.
Mm.
This isn't good enough. These people
That's
suffer
the issue.
because of her.
You don't have to decide for all of them.
Virginia's causing that damage. Let's not allow her to see even though we're causing more. I really hope you know what you're doing, Morgan.
Thank you, Stone.
You're more than welcome to stay.
Feel free to join us.
Lived before. I hope today's the day when we can start doing that. Do it here.
June. Oh. Ooh, it hurts. Hello, guys. We are missing you. A little, yes. That's a good one.
I'm so sorry. Take it as long as I can.
You don't have to apologize.
You don't like it?
What you did up there. You're still the same man I knew.
Those are our jobs. You voted for you when you thought he wasn't going to steal you.
Oh.
Well,
Don't read it. I'm not sure. You know that I want you to read it now. Yes, keep that for later. Thank you.
I'm not gonna find what I'm looking for.
well, what? What are you looking
You were
for?
right.
That's the question.
You were right. I didn't feel like I was putting the past behind me.
Because you weren't. In there, you can
I
start
didn't feel I'm not where you are. I think I want to find it with them before I find it with you.
I already said it. You're not on the same page anymore. You need to give her time.
Where are you going?
This place is not for me.
You asked me to make sure I didn't forget who I am. I'm asking you to do the
I
same.
know, but
I
You want to lead the Rebels Rangers?
Why should I believe you now?
you don't have to. I'll show you. I'll give you a reason to come and join me.
I'm okay with that. They are still peaceful with each other. They want to help each other. What? Oh no, you don't deserve a dog to take care of you.
It's the second time now you saved my life. Thank you.
Take Dakota and leave. She doesn't need this place. She needs you.
But if either of you should face him. I know, I get it. We're going.
Not
Yo.
only for you, doing it for her.
We'll get Dakota.
I said, you know, that I didn't want them to kill Dakota. Virginia was not sure. And I said also that they can't live with us. We have to let them free, like not dealing with them and not accepting them in our group.
Follows me wherever I go. Some kind of
But
punch
now
in the
that it's
ass.
happening, I'm not sure of it. Whoa, it's too much. This episode is too much. I'm gonna keep that for the review, but they are pushing it too hard, too much.
Just like I was.
Suddenly, coming from nowhere in just one episode, it's not gonna work.
Back at Lawton with Cameron. Did you know what Dakota was capable of before? I would do anything for my daughter, Jim.
That's not the question. Did you know?
It's the guy Dakota killed, John.
Yes.
I asked you a question before. Jim, why did Dakota kill my husband? You said you didn't know. That wasn't true. You always were. No way!
It was your revenge.
What happened? You okay?
Ho ho ho! She's okay. She's more than okay. Huh? What are you gonna do with that? She really said fuck off. Really, I'm not gonna live by your rules, Morgan. I need my revenge. I'm gonna get it. The fact that she's leaving the place like that and they're not arresting her, it's meaningful also for what Morgan wanted to do with that place, with that justice with not killing Virginia. We don't have to kill Virginia because we don't want to live like that by beginning to kill someone. She's killing someone, so it's beginning bad, but also the fact that they're letting her going away. What about justice, you know, Morgan? In fact, you're doing what Virginia did. You're not gonna make justice for someone who just died. You're not gonna arrest the person who killed her. The irony behind that is fun. I prefer that end. I'm sorry to say it, but I was not okay with all of that. That was too easy for Virginia. The episode is great for all of the parts, for Morgan, the fact that he's saying that speech about them beginning a new life with a real justice, with not killing someone, with strength, and the fact that in fact he was against Virginia and he made all of these little army rebels, rangers to fight against her and to fight against what she was planning. The fact that we have also Dwight talking with Cherry saying again that she's not okay for now, she has to deal with her own stuff, they are not on the same page, he just has to let her time. With all of the characters, you know, all of the characters from our group, with Grace coming back, with all of them being reunited, with everything with our guys, but everything about her, you know, about Virginia was wrong, was so wrong. And I'm not saying it like it was wrong for the message that they wanted to make, with the choice of making her, you know, Dakota's mom, with the fact that they don't have to kill her, with releasing her at the end, with finally June killing her. That, you know, these choices, they are not wrong, but how they did it, how they wrote it, how they presented it to the viewers, taking only one episode to do it and pushing it and being not subtitled with it, like really making the characters saying it directly to the viewers like that, and a lot pushing it, insisting on it, it was too much. It was too much, it was too quick, it was not subtitled. That's not functioning, it can't work on the viewers. We're not gonna be sad, we're not gonna be okay with the situation, we're not gonna accept it because you're not presenting it, you're not writing it well. We hate Virginia, we know all of what she did wrong. You spent entire episodes to make us hate her, and in just one episode we're supposed to be sad for her because she's hurt and she can die, but she wants to see her daughter because yes, in fact, Dakota was her daughter and all. We're supposed to find her funny because she had some funny lines and all. We're supposed to find her brave because she's choosing to sacrifice herself because oh, suddenly she saw that place and oh, I want my daughter to live there, that would be so great. So we have to find her brave because she's sacrificing herself, like I'm okay to be killed by you, Morgan. No, it's not gonna work. We're not gonna feel like that for her just in one episode because suddenly you are presenting her in a total different way that we knew her before that. It's not like you are using stuff that we knew about her before that. No, you are giving us new information about her background, but also about the character, the fact that she can be like that, the fact that she can be emotional suddenly, the fact that she can be funny suddenly. You are giving us new information about the background of the character and about the character, and suddenly we have to change our opinion about her, we have to like her in a way. No, it's not gonna work. And it's just in one episode, so it's too quick and it's not gonna work because you're not subtitled with that. It's too much, it's too pushed. Of course, at the end, even if I said it myself, I didn't want them to kill Dakota. At the end of everything, I wanted them to release Dakota, to let her free, to not have to deal with her, are we gonna kill her or not, to not have to accept her on the group because I didn't want her to be a part of the group. I was like, okay, we're gonna release her. So at the end, for them to choose to do that for Dakota and Virginia, I should have been okay with that because I said that myself for Dakota at the end of the episode 8. But because of the fact that all of this episode was so badly written for Virginia's part, again for all of the other characters it was well written, but for Virginia's part it was so badly written that I couldn't be okay with what myself I wanted before this episode. You understand what I mean? They made me renounce not be okay with what I wanted before. The proof for me that they did it wrong, because you know at the end of the last episode a lot of fans, a lot of reactors were like, okay, we have to kill Dakota, we have to kill that girl. Me, I was like, no, we can't kill her, but at the end of everything, let's release her. So I should have been, you know, one of the persons to who what you are presenting at the end, releasing the two girls so they can live on their own and all. It should have worked on me. I'm one of the person on who, you know, it should have worked the most. No, it's not working. I'm almost sure that a lot of reactors are gonna cheer, you know, when at the end, finally, June is killing Virginia. And myself, I also was glad of the situation because of the fact that you sold me Morgan's proposition before so badly that I was not gonna accept it. So I was okay, more okay in fact, with that, with June having her revenge. And you know, beginning the episode with June and finishing it with June, that was well done. Again, for all of the characters, or guys, or group, all of them, they did that episode really well. For June's evolution, for Morgan's evolution, for Dwight, for Strand, for Alicia, for Grace, for every one of them, the episode was well done, well written. They thought about how they could make them evolve, how they could make them take decisions, and all of the lines that they said to each other, that was great. But all of Virginia's part, it's really like they didn't know what to do with this character. I think that they wanted to kill that character during this episode. They didn't know how to do it, but they wanted to surprise us, but they did it so wrong. Because your surprise right there, your way of doing it, not subtle, too pushed, too quick, coming from nowhere. It's frustrating for me really, because I can see all of the good things that they did during this episode, but I can see also all of the bad things. And because of the fact that this episode was based for the majority of it, you know, on really Virginia, the bad part is winning, you know, the bad part is more important than the rest. So at the end, I'm more annoyed by Virginia's part than glad about the other one's part. I'm frustrated. This episode is really showing the issues of Fear the Walking Dead. They have good characters, they can have good ideas, have, you know, good moments, really good scenes, emotional ones, inspirational ones, brave ones, good battles and all. They have good ideas, but they don't know how to make them sometimes. They have some issues really to make them from beginning to the end, to do it right. And when they're not doing it well, it's not like, okay, it's like that. No, it's bad. It's frustrating. Because again, I can't see the good ideas. And even, you know, for Virginia, it was a good idea to make her Dakota's mom. But it's badly done. What do you think about it, you know, about this episode? About how they did it, but also all of Virginia's part? Are you like me? Are you thinking that they pushed it too much and it was too quick, too sudden? Did you buy it? Are you okay at the end to let them free? Were you okay to accept Morgan's offer? Did you cheer when June did that or not? Really? I want your opinion on that. Tell me, I really want to know that. Because maybe I'm missing something, you know, or maybe I'm going too far. Sometimes, you know, when I'm like that, I'm like, maybe you're analyzing it too much, maybe you're going too far. But even if, you know, I was just watching it like that without reacting, you know, without thinking of it too much, I think that I would have been like, You know, like, no. And I also think that I spent the entire episode being like that, like not okay with what was happening. Tell me your opinion, I really want to hear it. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for Fear the Walking Dead for today. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.